Hi, I'm James from Mobile Text Alerts. Today I'm going to walk you through how to generate QR codes in your account's platform, so that you can make it even easier for people to subscribe to your text alerts. This feature allows you to have a QR code assigned to each of your account's opt-in keywords. Your opt-in keywords are words people can text into a designated number in order to be automatically subscribed to receive your texts. When people scan the code with their phone, their text messaging app will be auto-filled with your account's keyword and text-in number, so all they'll have to do is hit send to be subscribed to your texts. You can set up and customize QR code templates under your opt-in methods, QR code templates tab. Click the Add QR code template button to create a new QR code template. Type in a name for the QR code template and customize the QR appearance as desired. Once you have a QR code template set up, you can go to the Keywords tab and click the QR code option on one or more of your existing account keywords. You'll be able to view and select a QR code template to connect to your keyword. You can type in a message that will show up on someone's phone if they scan the QR code, and then click Download to save the QR code image. You can then include your QR code in storefronts, newsletters, emails, or anywhere else you'd like people to see. Your audience can scan the code and send in the pre-fill message that appears on their phone in order to subscribe. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.